chill. Chill,
Okay.
chill.
Chill.
Yeah.
What's up, y'all? This Mel back with another review. But I came with the boys. I'm doing them one by one so you can get a clear reaction of how they honestly feel at one time, so to speak. So you don't have to focus on which one you want to see first. You're going to see them all. Okay, Keisha and I just did a a tuna creation thing. So I said I was gonna keep it and let them try it on these, cause I don't want these at all. Give me them forks. You want some of this?
I want to find.
This is hot though. It got hot sauce in it. You want it still?
Oh,
I thought so. Okay, Curtis. This one, y'all, is a tuna creations bowl with rice and beans and hot sauce. Okay. You want a little or a lot, Curtis? Like that's too much?
That's good enough.
Yeah, it's your fault. Okay. Move. Why you always got him in your... Nah, go ahead.
Don't make me lay. They're like this.
You about to go ahead on in a minute.
That's so spicy.
It's spicy, right? But what you think about the other stuff other than the spiciness?
'Cause it's hot.
It's bland. Who in the world puts, what's that?
Rice and beans with tuna.
I thought my potato salad was bad. That's bad.
Tuna.
That don't even get that's zero right there.
Oh,
All right, so you don't like that at all.
No.
All right, come on, let me see this fork.
no, I don't like. No, I don't like.
Nah, this right
I
here
don't want.
is
Not
evoo
for you. It's for me.
yellowfin tuna with
It's for
and
me.
extra virgin olive oil with sun-dried tomatoes. See that? Okay. Here, you want some? You want some? Yeah. Go ahead, try it. No, this is not hot. This is just tuna. And here, Curtis.
All right.
So you like that?
It's okay.
You like this?
It's okay.
Well, why it's still in your jaw?
I'm not in my jaw.
It's good.
You you like this?
Yeah, it's all right.
No, you don't. It's still in your mouth. Okay, here, eat some more. Oh, you gonna dig your hand in there?
No,
Wait, what's going on here?
I need a fight.
I hope this all caught, because something
No.
going on with my computer. Let me see, open your mouth. Oh, he did eat that. You want some more? Here, I'm going to just put it in your mouth.
Yeah, it's good. That's actually good.
Mm-hmm.
Better than that raisin tuna and raisin bean crease.
You like that?
What kind of stuff is that?
Excuse me, y'all.
You wait.
You like this? Oh, my goodness.
I don't know what they were thinking when they made that raisin bean thing.
Well, if you go to a Walk in the Fat Woman shoes, you'll see what me and Keisha thought of this. So, you two like it?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, well. What Mikey don't like? And he done drug poor little Alonzo down that road with him, liking everything.
What about this?
Oh, you want to try this too?
Mm-hmm.
I don't have another fork.
Yeah, okay.
Get that fork out that bowl right there, Curtis. I'm gonna have to get you out. It's like, oh, no, you can't. I can't just put that in your hand. Did you eat that? Now you want to try this?
No.
Okay. Nah, I'm making my spray with that.
I like that.
You really like this?
Mm-hmm. So if you want tuna fish.
I like tuna fish.
All right then. Won't you go ahead on knock on the door and tell one of them come here? Well, that's Curtis' review. Mikey like
I
everything.
want some.
Moving right along. We
Yeah.
about to get on to
I want some.
whoever he gets.
I want
Go to the door and get one of them.
Okay.
Oh, go to.
Because I didn't want them to see each other's reaction.
Here y'all.
They're in the back by Scrappy. Okay. I guess it's Terrell. Where your folks? All right, come on. Okay. Which one would you like to try first?
Surprise me.
Which one would you like to try first?
Uh,
Stop doing that with your mouth
Sorry.
and stuff. What you afraid? You think I'm gonna bite
No.
you? You think I'm gonna jab you?
let me.
You know the farther
no,
you
let
are,
me get
that the
this one.
farther my arm can stretch out.
Let me
Come
get this-
closer. Get in the video. You want this one first.
Yeah.
You wanna know something?
What?
I'm gonna let you know after you eat it.
Wait. No, let me try that one.
No, try this first, like you said. You won't try this first. That's too
No.
much. Yeah.
Mm-mm. Nah,
What?
don't like it.
All right. What your other fault? Okay.
Never
Now-
again.
Now we're gonna try the tuna creations with rice and beans in hot sauce. It got hot sauce in it. That's too much.
Nah, that's good.
Oh, you got black beans. We never got black beans. Go ahead. Go
It's my
ahead.
lucky
Try
day.
that.
I don't like
Yeah, it's
black
your
beans.
lucky day.
Oh wow. Oh wow.
What? Oh, it's hot. That's all you can say about it?
It's hot and horrible.
You don't like this either?
Ooh.
It's not good to you? Okay.
The
Thanks.
black.
Wait, go ahead. Say what you're going to say.
I will not buy that no more. All that.
Oh, I won't.
These right here.
Go,
Later, guys.
get Dwayne. Somebody out, scrap it. Dwayne. Dwayne, come here.
Come in there.
Scrap it. Come on, man.
Hey, man. Hey, everybody.
Well, you know, we had tried these tuna creations and stuff.
Yeah.
Well, where's your folks? No. Where's your forks?
Oh, I didn't get none.
Yes, you did. I gave them to you before you left out the door.
Who took the fork from more down?
That was one. You had two. I gave each of you 2 forks. What did you do with them?
I think I lost them. I don't have more in me.
Well, you need to go get them. No, I'm not digging that in there. Yes, that's just foul.
No, I don't.
Get his 2 forks for him, Terrell.
I don't.
His 2
Wait,
forks.
why there's 5 here?
Because Terrell had 2,
Alonzo.
Curtis had 2, and Alonzo, they over there somewhere.
I
Where
don't think
did
I
you
got
put
my
'em?
forks.
Dwayne,
I ain't grab 'em.
Dwayne came, brought me 2 and brought Curtis 2. That was it.
Yeah.
Well, the other 2 must be in his pocket or on the drain.
You know,
What did?
No,
Get
I don't
up
have
and go
them.
look for him.
There.
Excuse me while we wait on him.
Dwayne, 4 fucks in his hand.
I gave him 6.
You gave me 5.
Well, then go wash that. Or I could just dump it in your hand.
Yeah, I'm good.
You need 2.
Yeah.
So, how was y'all day while we waiting on him to take forever to wash that? I wish I had a pause feature, but I don't. Maybe I need to get a better camera nowadays. I've been thinking about it, dude, because I saw it was a Logitech, but it rotates and it do some other little creepy stuff. But rotating was one of the number
And I'm
1
back.
features. Yeah, that's creepy. I don't know if it rotate on its own. I don't know if it rotate when it hears something.
Here you go.
Scrappy gonna have me
Mhm.
step on him. Well, which one you want to try first?
Anyone really? It doesn't.
Well, which one you want to try first? Do you want to try the rice and beans and hot sauce first?
Rice and beans.
Or do you want to try the yellowfin tuna and virgin olive oil and sun-dried tomatoes?
I want to try the sun-dyed tomatoes. You
You
call
want a
it?
little or a lot?
Uh,
Like this is
yeah,
enough?
yeah, that's enough. That's
Do you
enough.
want more?
No, no, no. Oh man, I really just wanted a little bit.
That's not my problem. Here you go. What's wrong?
The smell is unbearable.
Go ahead, eat it.
Oh,
Eat that, boy. Alonzo loves this. Him and Curtis, they love this. You should have seen them. They was like, "Can I have some more?"
it tastes like poison ivy smell.
It tastes like poison ivy smell.
It's alright though, but the article.
Okay, what a fault. So would you get that again?
No, no. I'm like on that one. I play like I'm
I
cheap.
had one again.
On that one, you'll play like you cheat.
Yep.
Tell you the truth, they're almost the same price as a can of tuna.
Well, I get my can of tuna then.
A can of tuna is like 80 cents. This is $1.
Oh man, I get my can of tuna. So at least I know I ain't going wrong with that.
Because you're cheap.
I'm frugal, not cheap.
Okay.
Wait a minute. Did everybody else get that amount?
Don't that look good? Here you go.
Good luck, bro.
That's a Louisiana hot sauce right there.
I don't think it's from Louisiana, that hot sauce.
Is this red beans in this?
I don't know, it's not, but eat it. I didn't see kidney beans on there when I looked at it. It just said bean salad.
Man, they lying. This look like
Oh,
a
no,
white.
no, it's only black beans and navy beans. Now eat it.
1, 2, 3.
God bless you.
Oh, not bad.
Here, there.
Oh,
Finish it. Finish it.
you more time back now. Wait, y'all didn't like it, did y'all?
So you want some more of this?
No, no,
You don't want no more of that?
no. I'm good. You keep that.
Lonzo and Curtis love this one.
Well, you can get that to them. that one tastes like poison ivy smell.
No, it don't. It smells like fresh tomatoes on the vine. It really does. And it's fruity. That's the olive oil of it. You ate all that? Let me see that.
Oh, that's gone. I like that. Oh yeah, I like that. Well, I like anything that's really hot. Anyway.
You like your butt to burn?
What? No,
You
no.
say you like anything that's hot.
Yeah, food. Okay, I like anything food-wise that's hot.
Yeah, but if you eat hot food, you know when it come out hot too.
Not always.
If you eat enough of it.
This really does take a wrong turn. I think,
Like, remember those peanuts?
yeah. Now this doesn't take a wrong turn.
Remember those noodles?
I didn't use the bathroom after that day. Now we trading Bible stories and stuff out there.
Oh, now
This
you
feel
gonna sit there and tell that story. You didn't go to the bathroom after you ate them noodles.
Yes, I did. Can we just leave
Boy,
it
you
like
need the
that?
fire department, huh?
Oh.
Ah, Curtis, Alonzo.
He's gonna. But when we do it this time, I'm well enough prepared for that one.
Turn it down. Whatever that is, turn it down. Turn it down.
Oh look, I got wigs in my hair now.
Uh,
It took a long time for me to get wigs.
that's not wave, son.
Yeah.
Why you in Alonzo? Did y'all want to finish this? Alonzo, you want this tuna fish?
Oh, I'll take it.
Go ahead
You
and get
made
a
that
fork.
boy
You know that
cry.
baby wants some of that.
Mm-hmm.
All right
Yeah,
then, y'all. I
Alonzo.
guess that's our review. I was gonna go ahead on with these extra packs and make a spread. Maybe I'll do that on another video.
Yeah, let's just do it now. Yeah.
Okay, well, that was the kids' reaction to the
This is
They always say
Star Kiss
I'm the
tuna
one with the best
creation.
smile. And I don't really even see it.
You really sitting there
you can get
with
some
that
more.
lame stuff?
Yeah, Dixie, I got the best
All right,
smile.
y'all. Have a good one. Thanks for watching. And until next time, be blessed. Peace.